Hey everyone, you are in the Roblox because today I'm gonna show you how to recover your Shein account. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, launch the Shein app on your phone and make sure you are on the login page. Alright, so after that, on the login page, enter your email address. Then tap on forgot password. This will allow you to recover your account if you have forgotten your password. Alright, so after that, just enter your email again or reset via phone number. For this tutorial, I will use my email. Alright, so just enter your email address, then tap send to receive a verification code. Check your notification for the code sent by Shein. Once you have received the code, enter it to the app to proceed. Just create a new secured password for your account and confirm it. Make sure your password is strong and unique. Once your password is reset, you will be directed to the Shein login page. Enter your email address and new password. Then follow the verification step to confirm that it's really you. Just look for verification prompt and confirm it. And you are all set. So I hope this video helped you out to recover your Shein account. Thanks for watching and take care.